So you've created an account on THWACK. What do I do next? Well, I'm going to take you through a few steps that will help you have a great experience here. The first thing you want to do is fill out your profile. So once you're logged in, you come over here to your account, and we're going to click right on profile. And you can see here, I have filled out my about section, tells people a little bit about me. You can come down here and fill out a little bit more things, your background, so that people of other interests that are similar to yours can come find you. So if I were to click, let's say, network management, I'll see a whole bunch of other accounts that have picked network management, and I might find somebody in there in the same field as me that can help me out with my problems. A little bit of networking, we love to see it. Now my profile is quite a bit filled out because I work here. You'll see over here that I've got internet points. We love internet points. You can get internet points on THWACK a number of ways. Anything you post, anything you comment, when you like stuff, when people like your stuff. If you upload to our content exchange, and people download those things, which I'll explain in a moment, all of those things earn you points, and all of those points can be used in the store where you can get lots of things. This is for instance, right now, the store's always changing and updating, but right now we've got things like stickers and pens, t-shirts. You can even get a SolarWinds Certified Professional exam voucher here. So if you're trying to save up for that, you don't want to pay the fees for it, you can get a voucher to take the exam with your THWACK points. So once your profile's been set up, you want to go ahead and take a look at the forums. Here we've got our product forums, and they're separated by what you've got going on. So you can go into our observability section if you've got hybrid cloud observability or SolarWinds observability, and you want to get your questions answered on your products, or you want to go answer people's questions. Sometimes I find that's the best way to start getting more familiar with the products, is to go help answer people's questions. You can go into the Orion platform, and then there's a further breakdown, right? So if I just have network products, I can come in here to the network products, and we'll stick with NPM, for example. You can come see the newsroom where our product leaders are putting updates in here, as well as other things of interest for the product from the employees. And sometimes, as in this one, from our special guests. Special guest blogs will come in here talking about useful things that you can do. But beyond that, you also have the forum. Each product has its own forum. So if you have questions around that product specifically, you can come in here, but you can also turn forum notifications on if you spend a lot of time in that product and you want to know if other people are having similar questions, or if you want to be able to help people answer questions, that you can turn notifications on there. You can also come up to the content exchange, and it's also divided here by product. And you can see we've got lots of things in here that you can import and use in your own environment that people have already created. No need to reinvent the wheel. Just go ahead and import it into your environment, make tweaks as needed. You can do anything from reports and alerts to scripts and custom HTML. All of that is here. So if you are looking for something, feel free to take a look. Someone may have already done the hard work for you. And of course, we'd love it if you'd share things of your own. Each space also has a what we're working on post where our product leaders will go in there and update what's on the horizon in the near term for updates on these products. As you can see here, this one's for SolarWinds Service Desk, and you can see here that we have some items that were recently released, and then they also have a section for what they're working on in the future. It's not a guarantee that it's going to be in the next release, but it does give you an idea of what's on our horizon. Each product space also has a section for feature requests. Feature requests are great because it's our chance to listen to what you guys are looking for in the products. And those can be anything from dark mode, which has been requested forever, to something a little more serious, like you're looking for specific device support or something like that. You can put a feature request in, check out other people's feature requests, and vote them up. Our product leaders are in here checking these out when they're making their plans. So if there's something you're interested in, come in here, check out the feature requests. You can see they're voting on here, and once they're implemented, they are updated to say that they've been implemented. If you're looking to make connections and maybe find out a little bit more about things that are not necessarily our products, but are related to the fields you're working in, check out our community groups. Currently, we have community groups for DevOps and for database. We're also looking to the future to add more groups to that section, and we have a few that are based around geographical region. So we do have some that are just for Japan and EMEA, which have more specific content for those regions. Our community is very active, and we do regular community announcements to let you know when things are changing or updating or fun events are coming your way. So keep an eye on the community announcement space for anything like that. Thank you so much for joining our community. It's almost 200,000 members strong and growing every day. We're very happy to have you here.